Today we are going to learn about the birth ratio. Millions of people across the country are involved in the census. The census is conducted in the year in which the unit number is 1. The last census was carried out in 2011. The first census was conducted in 1871. The census is conducted every 10 years by the central government. When will the next census take place? Drastic changes is noticed in the birth rate in the rural and urban areas. Here we see the differences in gender ratio in Gujarat. These details show the number of women against the 1,000 men. Discuss the questions given below on the basis of table. So students, here table is that in details they have given the number. The third column is Gujarat. Total gender ratio of Gujarat is 1990 and the India is 1943. Difference is 24. Rural Gujarat is 1949. India also 1949. There is no differences. In urban 880, in India 929, difference is 49. Gender ratio according to 0 to 6 years of the age. In Gujarat 886, in India 914, difference is 28. Rural Gujarat 906 and India 919, difference is 13. The sixth number urban is that in Gujarat 852 and India 902, difference is about 50. After that, we feel the gender ratio of the women and men similar around to us. The ratio of women and in the country is estimated to be about half. According to the census, so far gender inequality between men and women is observed in India. Below is a note about the ratio of women in different years. Here years are there and the differences of that. We show the number of females per 1,000 male in 901 was 972, which has increased to 940 in the 2011. Discuss the following details. Then the study of women's movement. Before our country became independent, many agitations took place against the British who ruled the whole country. Various agents took place under the leadership of Gandhi Bapu. Many women from all over the country, including Gujarat, joined with the Kasturba in this movement. Sometimes agitations take place against the government to satisfy demands. Sometimes small and big movements happen around us. In Bihar, women staged a successful agitations against the government for banning alcohol, especially in the summer. Sometimes of the women of the cities area agitate for water. Many other similar important movements for the women's have taken place. Women joined these movements and agitate for their problems.